And sabi daw, kapag mayroon kang schizophrenia symptoms, so dahil doon sa mga symptoms na yun, so itong mga taong to ay lagi sila, feel suspicious or paranoid or takot sila palagi. No, hindi mo alam kung anong kinatatakutan nila. And then pangalawa, not care about hygiene and appearance. No, not care. Lagi silang hindi naliligo, sigurado. No. So, and then pangatlo, have depression, anxiety, and suicidal thoughts. And pang-last, they use alcohol, nicotine, prescription medication, or recreational drugs to self-medicate symptoms. So, maraming siguro yung mga gumagawa ng sarili ng gamot. So, yun po sila. So, that's all. Thank you.